Hi, I'm Deborah from Gardener's Supply Company, and I'm here to chat about how to grow your own natural loofah sponges. Last year I was encouraged to grow loofah by Kevin of Epic Gardening, who was having a loofah challenge. So I'm so glad he did that because I had never really known what a loofah vine was, and I actually thought that loofah sponges were some kind of a marine animal. I didn't know you could grow your own, so I was happy to grow this plant. It's really cool. So loofah is part of the cucurbit family, which is related to squash and cantaloupe and gourds and cucumber, so they kind of grow in a similar way. And they require a very long season, which is not something that we have here in Vermont. So I started the seeds inside under our bamboo LED grow lights and had them growing for about a month before our last frost date. And at that time I took them from the grow lights and hardened them off and then placed them in the garden so that they would get a head start. Because loofah are in that cucurbit family, they are susceptible to the squash bug, which is a terrible pest that can decimate your crop. So every morning I would go out to the plants and I would remove the adult males with gloves on and place them in soapy water, and I would look on the undersides of the leaves for the egg sacs, and I would take those leaves and destroy them. And also I would spray the plants with neem, which is a natural organic solution for repelling the squash bug. So I was able to successfully battle the squash bug, and the vine grew into this beautiful plant. It starts with pretty yellow flowers, and I had planted zinnias in the front to attract pollinators, and that worked. The flowers got pollinated. When the fruit is young, apparently it's edible, and it's more common in Asian dishes, and you can saute it in ginger, and apparently it's really delicious. But I wanted to let the fruit grow big to see how to turn these into sponges. So I let them grow all season. And then before the frost was going to hit us again, I came out with Lisa, who's much taller than me, and she helped me to harvest the fruit. And then we brought them inside and we allowed them to cure and harden and dry out. And then when the skin turned all brown and crumbly and crusty, then I had Cody remove the skin and shake out all of the seeds. And then they look like this, and they're ready to go. So what you can do with the loofah sponges is you can use them in the bath as a natural exfoliant, or you can use them in the kitchen as a gentle scrubber, or people who are clever and make their own soap, you can cut them into little rounds and place the soap and use this as a soap mold and place the soap inside of it. And it's a really great way if you're trying to reduce plastic in your home and in your natural care. You're growing your own sponges, and it's a wonderful thing. It's a beautiful plant, and it's really fun to grow, and I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.